WeatherTech Side Window Deflectors install easily. In order to install side window deflectors in your 2011 and 2012 Ford F-150, begin by making sure your windows are clean and dry. Then lower the windows all the way down. In the upper right-hand corner of the window opening, pull down the weather strip so the corner of the door frame is exposed. Now, unfold the weather strip so you can remove and discard the L-shaped foam pad inside. Then push the weather strip back into place. At the front of the window opening, slide the machined flange of the deflector into the window channel. Make sure that the end of the deflector rests on top of the windowsill and does not go down into the door. Next, bow the deflector to slip the rear flange into the window channel. Make sure the window gasket is not folded over. Now, working front to back, slide the deflector up, slipping the machined flange into the upper window channel. Insert the seating tool into the window channel and work it along the full length of the channel to help seat the deflector. Next, very slowly, raise the window. Do not activate the Window Auto Up feature. Now, with the window in the full up position, work the rear of the deflector up and down carefully. Make sure not to cut the window gasket. Leave the window up for at least 48 hours, allowing the deflector to acclimate to the weather strip and ensure proper window operation. At temperatures below 60 degrees, it may take a little longer for the deflector to acclimate. Now, repeat this process on the other side, and your F-150 WeatherTech side window deflectors are installed.